Hi, my name is Marian. I'm 41 years old and I've been living in a rented accommodation for the last 3.5 years with my partner and with my cat. I go to work whenever I'm needed, and normally either me or my wife are back at home around midday. By that time our home solar batteries are fully charged and we can have a cook and do all sorts of things around the house, like taking care of our cat and so on. Well, we have two hybrid vehicles that we are charging at home, and with the soaring prices of electricity and energy, it has become a little bit of a burden to charge them up at home on a daily basis. So we decided to harvest the energy that the sun provides and store it in home solar batteries like the EcoFlow Stream Ultra. I did a lot of research online and I've realized that EcoFlow products will provide everything I needed: the ease of use, the intelligent mode that the system provides, and I needed a good brand that offers me security and with a big background in terms of solar energy. At the moment I own an EcoFlow Stream Ultra, an EcoFlow Stream AC and the amazing smart meter. Also, I'm the proud owner of a solar hat.
I have it.
You have it too? Since we've installed the EcoFlow Stream home batteries, we are more relaxed in terms of things like leaving a light on or the fan in the bedroom, and it just made us a little bit more conscious on our energy consumption. If we look at the energy bill from last year, it comes up to about £110. Since we've installed our EcoFlow Stream system, our bill has gone down by 50 to 60%.